All right, Carson, what are you doing?
I'm checking to see if my gun, I'm getting ready to shoot my gun.
Okay. What's the first step?
You have to check if there's a BB in the lid.
Where's the barrel always facing?
Down
Right?
or up.
Down or up?
Yeah,
You mean all the way up or up some?
all the way up.
Okay.
Or
Then what are you doing?
then I have to pump to get power
Okay.
for my BB gun. And where did it hit?
Pretty good.
That's all of my shots so far.
Let's see, one down here in the one spot, one in the four, one a couple outside.
Yeah.
So pretty good. Nice job.